Welcome back. So the first thing that we need to know when dealing with pre-algebra is something called proportions. Proportions deals with how many of a whole you have. Also can be known as ratios. So Abena came to me on Tuesday and wanted to know how could she break down a couple of ratios. So I said, well, give me a few and I'll help you break them down. So she started off by saying, how about if somebody gave me 18 to 27 odds? And I said, okay, well, let's find out. So the first number always goes on top of your fraction because you want to write a fraction and then reduce it to its simplest form. What two numbers can fit into both of these? Looks like 9 can go into here and here. So let's go 9. We're going to divide. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 27 divided by 9 is 3. That's 2 to 3 odds. Okay? 18 to 27. So, now we get to see this ratio in a much clearer fraction proportion. Let's try another one. So then she said, well, what if they write it like this? What if they write something like this? And I said, that's totally fine. This just means 2. 112, 2, 140. Same thing applies. On top goes your first number. On bottom goes your second number. Now, it's okay if you don't know right off the bat what the biggest number that goes into both of these are. Just look at whatever number you know. Here, we'll just say, let's go 2, right? Now, what happens there? That's a 56 here, and that is a 70 here. Okay, what else? I still don't know, but I guess 2 will do again. So here we go again, 2 and 2. So here we go with 56 divided by 2 is 28. 70 divided by 2 is 35. And I see the magic number now. Let's say 35, by the way. See the magic number. It's going to be a 7. 7 goes into both of these. So if I do 7 here, 28 divided by 7 equals 4. And 35 divided by 7 equals 5. And there you have it. That is a 4 to 5 ratio. Okay, let's move on. We got one more here. So lastly, Abena said, well, what if they asked me a question such as, what if you made 65 out of 105 shots? Okay, what is your fraction? So I said, let's find out. Same rules still apply. 6 to 105, 65 to 105. So 65 on the top, 105 at the bottom. Luckily, we have a good friend here that we can see by the name of 5. Okay, 5 goes into 65, 5 goes into 6 once, and then 5 goes into 15 3 times. So you got 13, and then 5 into 105. So that'll be 21. And that looks like that's about all we can do there. 13 to 21. 65 out of 105 would be a 13 out of 21. Let's just check it. 5 goes into 6 only once. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Perfect. Same here. 5 goes into 10 twice. 5 goes into 5 once. So there's our answer. And that's the first step we're going to deal with when working with pre-algebra, is turning those ratios and proportions into fractions in their simplest form. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something, because here at Jedi Learning, anyone can learn to learn.